Hi, thank you for having me. I'm excited to be here. As Pippa mentioned, I'm a graduate from the ad school. It's been a really long time. I think now it happened right after 9/11, so it's what, 20 years? 20 years. So I'm that old. I am a creative director at Alma. I personally work mostly on Google and Pepsi right now, mostly. And we also work on TFF. I work with another ad school graduate. His name is Gabe as well. Um, so we've been working there, but we just completed our 8th year, believe it or not, which is crazy for an ad agency. But Alma has been such a great experience and such a different job for all of us that it's kept us in there. So a little bit about Alma, we are at roots a Hispanic agency, but really what we do is create multicultural work. And I think nowadays it's something that's so involved in every single brand. It's like right now we're working on projects for Google who are, as a core, they are extremely all-inclusive, and they try to bring that energy to every project that they do. So that's why we're positioned at a very interesting place in the market. We're about 100 and something people spread out across 4 offices. The Miami office is the largest office. Well, the virtual office, I guess we can call it. In Miami, we pretty much handle everything. Our creative department's about, I'd like to say about 25 to 30 creatives. And we handle many different brands. McDonald's is probably our largest client. Wells Fargo is probably our second largest. And then we work with Molson Coors. And in there we work on Miller Lite, Coors Light, Blue Moon, Sol. We also, like I mentioned, Pepsi and Google, and Tobacco Free Florida. I'm sure I'm missing a few other brands in there. One thing that we know about this business, it's unpredictable as hell. So, like, I'll just give you an example. Last week for us, we got an email on Sunday morning from our CCO. Hey guys, there's this project for Google. We just need TV scripts. You have to present on Tuesday morning. So, that was, in that case, there's not much time to sit there and kind of massage things. So what me and Gabe did, we each came up with ideas. We met, we just, one sentence. And from there, he went off to write and I went up to create the deck, and that was that. And we presented Tuesday morning. There's bigger campaigns that have longer timelines, and you kind of just mold it depending on what you have and how much time you have. But yeah, like I'm a firm believer is write it down in a sentence format. We try to always use this PR brief, PR headline kind of idea, and if you can explain it in a headline and a small blurb, it's a good idea. And just to think about what, as an intern, you're going to come in to do. You're not going to just be an intern. I think what we want from you guys is an actual employee. We want to make you feel like you're part of the team and expect, great ideas pass through filters of creativity and coming in there and being able to deliver on a project. And timelines are tough, and what we really need is people that come in and are self-starters. I know that's hard to say for somebody that's just starting their career, but there's a knack there's a thing this drive that comes from within you to want to create. And if you're able to show us that you can do this, you'll get more and more work and be able to kind of produce stuff. I've worked with a few interns along the way, and we definitely try to incorporate them into our teams as much as possible. And especially now in the digital world, it's harder. We're fully remote right now until I believe early next year. it's a great place to be with a lot of energy and a lot of humanity. As I've been through my career, I've worked at a lot of different places, and this is honestly the first place that I called home, that I really felt at home. Um, and it all stems down from Luis Miguel Messiano, who's I believe part of the board at M.AD.
Yes, yes.
He is such an incredible human being, and he kind of translates this whole vibe all across the board.
Thank you so much for tuning in, guys, and I hope that you enjoyed. My name is Tyler. I'm going to be one of the admissions advisors helping you guys to start your creative careers here with the Miami Ad School with our 4 portfolio programs: art direction, copywriting, photography and video, and design, as well as our boot camps. We are well equipped to make you well equipped for the creative industry. And my job is to help you transition smoothly from prospective to enrolled student. We have financial aid and scholarships available for all of our portfolio programs, and our 4 U.S. locations, Miami, Atlanta, San Francisco, and New York, as well as our international locations, are ready for you guys to go ahead and enroll when you are ready. So feel free to go to our website, www.miamiadschool.com, hit apply now, start your application, and if you have any questions, set up a call, and we will be happy to help you.